They are always trying to teach us three magic words. No, no. No, no, no. You have to wait for me for the second cough within the 30 seconds. That's not coming. I've been tested and certified, okay?